Hi everyone, it's Spa Guy Dave in Pensacola, New Jersey. Back again today with another beautiful pre-owned hot tub available for sale right now. You have been waiting for a big tub with a lounger that can hold at least 6 adults comfortably. Well, this American-made Artesian South Seas 850 L Deluxe is your tub. This is it. 90 by 90 inches, right? So it's a big boy, big tub. Got a great lounger, the famous Artesian lounger with the deep seat, so it puts your bottom down. You've got armrests on each side. It's walled in, so you're not floating side to side. Stacked up with jets everywhere, stacked, right? Upper, mid, lower back, big 5-inch jets under the thigh to hip area, under the calves, foot massage, great lounger over here. Look at it, 6-pack here, 2-pack mid-size jets, 14 direct pressure jets over here, another great seat, another big captain's chair over here with the waterfall, which can be turned on or off, under the calf and foot jets, under the calf and foot jets everywhere. The big Artesian 42-inch wide open footwell with that dome in the middle for the dome jets. It is just awesome. People love it. I love it. Wish my hot tub had it, but it doesn't. You've got the dome jet, so every corner seat is enjoying and receiving therapy from those foot massage jets. So let's turn it on, see what we got going on here. Again, we have 50 jets powered by 2 huge pumps. Here's the first one. And our second. Look at that. Look at that. That's 50 jets in action. Some spas are weak and you've got to use a diverter valve to turn off one side and divert the pressure to another side. That's not the case here. Every jet in this hot tub is on. You are not lacking. You're getting that pressure everywhere. Every seat offers a different type of experience. There's that waterfall. Now I could turn that waterfall off like I just did with just a quick little turn, and I can turn it all the way up, which is a little bit much for me, but just for show. If you're not sitting in that seat, it's great. But if you don't want to get your hair wet, you'll turn it off, or you can reduce the pressure to anything you like, and you've got that right there. Filtration system, LED lights everywhere. This is purple, but we've got blue and green and gold and orange, kind of a pinkish tone. There's a mode where it changes colors, so just beautiful at night. I wish it was dark in here where I could turn the lights off for it, but I think you get the idea. This tub will be lit, right? It's going to look like a spaceship at night when the lights are finally off. We're going to turn off some jets. And there we go. This is what it sounds like when it's filtering and heating, right? So it's just a nice, quality, quiet hot tub. And that's what I like about the brand. I've been to the factory a few times and always enjoyed my visits there to see them manufacturing these beautiful, super high quality American-made hot tubs. So I've refurbished it, updated with a brand new heater assembly, new topside control panel, new spa pillows, new filter, beautiful new spa cover, new steps. It does have a hydraulic lifter that comes with it. We give you delivery with the spa to anywhere in New Jersey, Eastern PA, Northern Delaware, piece of Maryland. Free delivery, warranty, indoctrination, chemical kit, everything you need backed up by us. And it's just a great tub. Hopefully it'll be in your backyard. Please call us tonight. This entire package, you don't have to spend $15,000 on it. This entire package for this pre-owned hot tub Artesian is just $4,800. $4,800 for everything landed in your backyard. So hopefully it will be in your backyard. This is your opportunity to grab this one. This is it. So look forward to speaking with you. If you like the video, please click like and please subscribe to my Spa Guy Dave YouTube channel, as I'll be adding more hot tubs soon and more videos. So once again, thanks for watching. This is Spa Guy Dave.